Bear with me as this press release was written in Italian and I just had to translate it to English, so if it's a little off, I apologize. But it dates from October 2021, and it regards a vehicle that has recently completed its second year in racing, the MINI JCW Challenge EVO. Presented during the last race weekend of the Mini Challenge at Mugello, the MINI JCW EVO is ready to start its engines for the next season. On the occasion of the end of the championship and in anticipation of the 11th edition of the Mini Challenge, Promodrive presents an exclusive new car ready to bring strong emotions to all motorsport lovers and beyond. It's called MINI JCW Evo and features a 2-liter twin-power turbo engine and a power output of 306. A car designed specifically for the world of the Mini Challenge and which will test the driving skills of the most experienced drivers who will compete at the last second to take home the trophy of the Mini Single Brand Championship. Evo because it represents an evolution, a project resulting from Promodrive's years of experience and work in the world of racing, and which, while looking to the future, keeps intact the sensations that only a MINI JCW on the track can give. More power, obtained by working on the electronics without modifying the engine, which remains standard. The car features different aerodynamic parts compared to the model currently in use, being wider and with fenders that recall the style of the MINI JCW GP to make it more aggressive and captivating. The MINI JCW Evo focuses on technology and features a modern steering wheel through which drivers can activate various functions, cut at the top to better read the display. Much cleaner and more refined in the passenger compartment, with great attention to safety and elements that have been designed and created specifically for this type of car by Mini Challenge. For example, the brake calipers, given the increase in power, have been equipped in a racing version, and also the roll cage present in the cockpit welded and FIA approved. The MINI JCW Evo is a natural evolution of the previous car and will be the undisputed protagonist of the next championship, which will race together with the cars in the Pro and Light categories with the young promises of the Mini Challenge Academy. Quite an impressive looking car, and if you want one of these, it's upwards of £60,000, which is quite a lot of money for a race car, plus you have to provide a donor vehicle for it to work. But as far as the tech specs go on the vehicle, it does have a 2-liter twin-power turbo engine, 306 horsepower. This is the B48 provided from the GP. It features Life Racing electronic control unit, multi-point car electronic development, and a carbon airbox specific to Mini Challenge. In the cockpit, as stated before, FIA Mini Challenge approved welded roll bar, seat with side protections, 6-point harness with Hans device, light extinguishing system, multifunction steering wheel, and dashboard with AIM data acquisition. The transmission is a 6-speed manual sequential gearbox with advanced self-locking differential, twin-disc clutch, lightweight flywheel, and reinforced half shafts. Reservoir, which I believe is the fuel tank, is FIA Mini Challenge approved safety tank with Mini Challenge tank cover. For the exhaust, competition exhaust for Mini Challenge, competition silencer for Mini Challenge, and a competition downpipe for Mini Challenge. I get the feeling there is a company out there, and I believe it's Scorpion, that develops the exhaust system specifically for the Mini Challenge. HJS Racing Catalytic Converter is also part of the exhaust system. As far as the braking system goes, front brake calipers specific for the Mini Challenge Racing Series, front brake pads specific to the Mini Challenge Racing Series, which I believe are Mintex, and front brake discs which are floating. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but they are specific to the Mini Challenge Racing Series. As far as suspension goes, Bilstein front shock absorbers with adjustable iBox springs, adjustable Bilstein rear shocks with iBox springs. The front top mount is aluminum with adjustable camber, and the front and rear control arms with Uniball, which I'm not exactly sure what some of this stuff is because it's in Italian and I couldn't find any more information than I could find here, and I'm naturally talking with my hands while I'm doing this to you all because I am Italian, which is really funny because this is a voiceover and you can't see anything that I'm doing here. As far as the wheels go, they are 17-inch racing rims from Team Dynamics, and they do use 235/17 tires from Goodyear as well. As far as the aerodynamics go, it is bespoke to the vehicle, and obviously, as you can see in these photos, quite cool looking, really. I would prefer those versus the carbon fiber side spats on the GP3, to be honest, but they look really, really cool. And like I said, if you want one of these vehicles, you're going to have to live in Italy, unfortunately, to get one, because this is from Mini Italia, and They don't offer this car anywhere else. But if you do want a Mini Cooper race car and you live in the United States, I do happen to know some people who would gladly build you one. And if you like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video, and thanks for watching.